Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your garbage disposal has suddenly started making unusually loud noises, you are definitely not alone. Strange grinding, rattling, or humming sounds from a garbage disposal can occur because of trapped objects, loose components, or temporary jams inside the unit. Fortunately, a noisy garbage disposal doesn't always mean that the appliance needs to be replaced. In many cases, a few simple checks can help identify the cause and restore quiet operation. Before calling for repairs, there are several troubleshooting steps worth trying. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy methods that may help fix a garbage disposal that is making loud noise. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the garbage disposal and disconnect its power source before inspecting it. Step 2. Look inside the garbage disposal for any foreign objects that may be causing noise. Step 3. Check whether the mounting components around the garbage disposal are secure. Step 4. Flush the garbage disposal with water after clearing any blockage. Step 5. Restore power and briefly test the garbage disposal to see if the sound has improved. Step 6. Confirm that the garbage disposal is operating smoothly and producing normal noise levels.